After watching this video, you will never buy pizza from the shop again. Never. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Greyglamma. Today I'm going to show you how to make bread pizza at home without an oven. No, you don't need an oven. First, I am going to butter one side of the white sliced bread. Yes, that is what we are going to use today to make this bread pizza. Meanwhile, hit the like button, comment on the video and share the video. Also subscribe if you have not, and tell me where you are watching from so that I will leave you a special greeting. Place the buttered side face down on the board and go ahead and spread tomato sauce on the other side of the bread. Now add mozzarella cheese, add the quantity you like. Now this is your own doing. You are making this pizza at home. So if you like a pepperoni topping or sweet Italian sausage or spinach pizza or tomato and basil, any mushroom or onions or green pepper, however way you like your topping, go ahead and do it. I am using chopped bacon and some vegetables to make this pizza. But be creative because you are making your pizza at home. Just sprinkle some salt, some chili pepper, and some black pepper. Just a little bit. I'll go ahead and sprinkle also some oregano, and you are good to go. If you like thin crust pizza, you will love this. Yes, you will. Now you place the bread in a pan on medium heat, cover it and bake for 10 minutes. Yes, you are baking in a pan, not in an oven. And it will come out this beautiful, this lovely. Oh no, this pizza is very easy to make. You can make it in the morning for breakfast, or in the afternoon, or for for lunch as well. Very easy to make. You don't need to spend so much time or so much money, spend time making the dough. No, just pick a slice of white bread and you have your pizza. Meanwhile, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. Like the video, leave me a comment and share the video. I will leave you guys now. Let me go and enjoy this yummy pizza. I hope to see you in my next video. Stay safe and stay hydrated. Bye.